the Elite Pro series from OPTEX. This is part 2 of the installation videos. We'll cover auto configuration and auto area settings using a smart device or web browser. On the OC907C, set dip switch 1 to app, and set dip switch 2 to on. From the Wi-Fi settings screen, find the Wi-Fi name, beginning with Elite, and connect. For your initial password, use 123456778. This password must be changed at initial connection. Next, read the QR code on the sensor or in the manual to access the settings screen. Enter 123456778 for the initial password and create a new password. Enter your new password and join the network. Press join in the upper right-hand corner. Under the OC tab, there are settings for basic configuration. To run auto configuration, you can press the function button on the sensor for 2 seconds. Or simply press Start for auto configuration under the OC tab. Then Yes at the prompt. The OC tab has settings for the OA907CT. The OA tab has settings and area adjustments for the OA607T. The Status tab has real-time settings and status. The door will open and close 2 to 3 times during this process. Be sure the door area is clear. When the system check is completed, Auto Area Learn begins, so the system will learn its environment. Choose the OA tab to make detailed adjustments to the detection patterns and the Status tab to walk test. Adjustments include row sensitivity, immunity, snow mode, and presence timers. When you're ready, press Upload. Under Area Setting, select the width of the door. Detailed adjustments to the depth and width of the detection areas are easy to make using the toggles with the app. Save the new settings. Now let's do a walk test. The patterns appear on screen in real time. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more information, refer to the instruction manual for the Elite Pro series from OPTEX.